Hello, and welcome to our capstone presentation, Solar Bear, created by Annika, Patrick, Lauren, Laura, and Taylor. The climate crisis is a threat to all life on Earth, and a rapid transition to renewable energy is essential. Inspired by the Land Art Generator initiative, our team's capstone project, Solar Bear, visualizes this concept. It is a visually appealing, inspiring, and interactive installation that harnesses renewable energy to produce an experiential showcase, and ultimately seeks to engage the UBC campus in a discussion of what renewable energy can look like. The team spent ample time considering different types of structures and art forms to enact this visualization. The team ultimately decided to represent the BC Spirit Bear in its design, signifying BC's rich biodiversity that a transition to renewable energy will serve to protect. For the purposes of Design and Innovation Day, COVID-19, and time and budget constraints, Solar Bear is built as a 3:5 scaled down model. To summarize, there are two means of producing power: the solar panels and an interactive hand crank. These inputs generate power and charge the battery. Once the battery has reached its maximum charge, it releases power by moving the bear head and powering a light show. There is also a user display that shows the live power generation from both the solar panels and hand crank to provide an educational aspect to the art piece. When a user approaches the Solar Bear installation, they are met with a user interface that shows a menu giving options for the user to understand more about the project, or to review power inputs from the various types of renewable energy harnessed within the installation. The display has a countdown on the main menu, enticing the audience to wait until the experiential showcase is triggered once the installation reaches sufficient charge. The power inputs consist of solar panels and a hand crank. The solar panels are mounted as shown here. The small 0.2 watt solar panels shown in the right image demonstrate how the solar panels would be mounted on a full-sized bear. The four 10 watt solar panels on the left provide ample power for the bear. In a full-size installation, larger panels would be able to be fitted onto the bear sculpture and integrated into the design. The hand crank is attached to the display here and provides an opportunity for the user to interact with the installation and actually add to the power storage. It was a paramount goal of the team to ensure as many parts of the installation were recycled as possible in order to remain consistent with our message of lessening human impact on Earth. This is why the structure is built out of 100% recycled plastic and wood scrap from workshops. The structure is comprised of two main sections, a frame that provides support, and the geometric pattern that creates the general essence of the Spirit Bear. The Solar Bear team is also using a salvaged 12-volt battery to address power storage. When this battery reaches a sufficient charge level, which varies with the season and sunlight availability, the experiential showcase is triggered. The experiential showcase consists of two elements. The first is the side-to-side movement of the bear's head, accomplished by a stepper motor and chopper-type controller. Mechanical components enabling bear head movement include two ball bearings to support low-friction rotation, and a miter bevel gear to transmit torque from a stepper motor. The second aspect of the showcase is the illumination of electroluminescent wire, chosen for its enticing and attention-grabbing aesthetic. Extra power gathered in summer would be used to continuously light the display after dusk. The entire system is controlled and monitored with an Arduino Mega, I2C shunt wattmeter modules, and MOSFET electronic switches. These components are safely housed in this electronics box. We hope Solar Bear inspires you to be a part of the shift to renewable energy. Transitioning away from fossil fuel usage will not be easy, but is necessary to protect the planet and all the amazing biodiversity. Thank you so much for watching.